Hey everybody, welcome to SOSC 226, Career Development 2. If you're taking this class, you probably took Career Development 1, which is SOSC 116. My name is Steve Pelton. I'm going to be your instructor for this class. Very much looking forward to getting to know you all. Now, what is this class all about? Well, like I just said, you probably already know something about it because you took the first one. You took SOSC 116. Then there's this. There's going to be another one called CAPS 265. You might get me for that one too. You never know. That's a really good class as well. But these are all of our career development classes. So this is the career college, Bryant Stratton. You're all studying different things, criminal justice and social work and health and human services and paralegal, all sorts of really interesting things, but it's all kind of funneled within a very specific career framework. So you probably all understand that now. This is just a second step in a series of classes where we're going to focus very heavily on career preparation, okay? What kinds of things can we do to better prepare you for life outside of college or life after graduation? So we're going to be doing a lot of things that probably either were hinted at or maybe were touched upon a little bit in SOSC 116. We'll focus on certain things like resumes and cover letters, talk about interview prep and some interview kind of tips and tricks, but we'll also talk about other things like financial literacy. Look, like it or not, we need to all be financially literate, especially if you're college students and you've taken out loans and you're going to have to pay those loans back at some point. So we'll be talking about that as well. But I just want you to know that kind of the overarching theme in this class is career prep. What kinds of things do you need to do to better prepare you for life after graduation? We really do believe here, and I buy into this completely, that the degree is nice, but if there isn't kind of like an emphasis on preparing you for what to do with the career after graduation, then there's something lacking. So I think a school like ours is really important because we put such premium on career prep. So that's what we're going to be doing. Now, this is not your first term. A lot of you are pros at this already. You kind of know what to expect when it comes to a 7.5-week class. So let me just tell you a couple things. As is the case with all of your other classes, each full week starts on a Sunday and then ends on that following Saturday, except obviously for week 1 and then week 7.5. There is a lot of work, so make sure that you just kind of stay up with the work. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to me, okay? You can email me, you can call me or text me. I have my number listed under the Welcome Start Here tab. Make sure, as I'm sure you've heard this many times before from other instructors, when it comes to the discussion, try to get in as early as possible, ideally no later than a Wednesday, so that you have enough opportunity to comment, make some comments on your classmates' posts and respond to comments made in your own thread, that kind of thing. So just be aware of that. If you do start to kind of stumble or get behind, reach out to me as soon as possible, okay? I do my best to try to keep track of every individual student, but it's hard when you have really big classes. But I will, try to call people at times. I will certainly email. But if you are struggling with something, if something comes up, if there's a death in the family and you have to travel out of town, or if your kids get sick, or if you get sick, or something like that, let me know. Please let me know. I really want to be a resource for you and an advocate for you here at Bryant Stratton. So let me know if things come up. We've got a lot of ground to cover. We're going to have some fun along the way. Yes, that is possible in classes like this. You can actually have some fun. I'm sure we will have some fun, and you're going to learn a lot. So get into discussion, start introducing yourself to your classmates. I will have another video there as well. Welcome aboard, folks. Thanks.